Good afternoon, 47. Your destination is the annual Global Innovation Motor Race in Miami, Florida. After analyzing the data from Reynard's computer, the case is clear. The Providence defectors are Robert and Sierra Knox, head of robotics developer Kronstadt Industries. A visionary inventor and technological innovator, Robert Knox has spearheaded Kronstadt Industries to the bleeding edge of technological development. His equally brilliant daughter, Sierra, is not only a financial wizard, but also a fiercely competitive race car driver with a fiery temper to match. Kronstadt enjoys enormous popularity with global consumers. However, few are aware that the company is also one of the world's leading suppliers of next-gen military tech. Last year, despotic ruler Jin Po employed prototype Kronstadt drones against peaceful civilian protesters in the now infamous Tungan Valley incident. And although it has yet to be proven, there is little doubt that the Knoxes personally brokered the deal, making them complicit in a war crime. It is unclear why the Knoxes would betray their masters, but likely the fear of being next on the Shadow Clients hit list has pressured them to cut a deal with the enemy. Undoubtedly, with Kronstadt Industries on their side, the militia will increase their attacks tenfold, and so our contract obligates us to retire Robert and Sierra Knox and contain the damage they may inflict on Providence. I will leave you to prepare. Welcome to Miami, 47. The innovation race is on its last day, and it is down to the wire. Thousands of eager fans are gathered for the final laps of this unexpectedly close race. Sierra Knox is expertly piloting her red Kronstadt car. Her father, Robert Knox, roams the nearby expo building where Kronstadt is showcasing its new prototype car. The Kronstadt RK Mark III has seen fierce competition from the Chinese Kowloon Heavy Industries' new racer. Moses Lee, CEO of Kowloon, has taken a dominant lead and looks invincible. The stakes are as high as they can get.
Sir, if you want to come through, I'm gonna have to pat you down.
Don't worry, folks. Anything can still happen.
Okay, thank you, sir. This will be open. No time. All right. Good job, sir. Thank you.
This is different from Grand Prix in that it's all about which team can go the distance. Fuel efficiency and reliability. Anyway, the food stands are located right there. Look at that. It's a test of nerves going into that corner. Who backs down first? Oh, wait. Was there a touch? Or even a slight collision going into that corner? Oh, the stewards are going to have to take a close look at this one. Let me just repeat some ground rules for those of you
I don't care about your
problems.
problems, all right?
You
made it
gotta
clear
cover
this
as
morning
much
that if
ground
things
as
didn't
possible.
change, I'd be off the Kronstadt team. Half an hour
Time's
later, I
up.
have to listen to Knox berate my skills as a mechanic because the roll cage interferes with the radio signals from Sierra's suit. No more. I'm done. Yes, I know you're a man short now, and no, I don't give a rat's ass about it. Double my salary for the entire week, and I'll come back in
what
case
a day.
Sierra
Global
decides to
innovation
use
is, huh?
that last
Be
pit
prettier
stop.
here in Miami. Yes, sir. The
Well,
crowd's having a
if you
good
decide otherwise, I'll be down by the paddock. Best of luck, Grace.
There is still
One of the Kronstadt pit crew has quit the team in protest, and Grace Miller, the
plenty of time left, folks, and anything can happen. Remember, folks, that endurance racing is all about cover as many miles as possible, no matter how burned out or beat up it may be.
It's just so mean.
Great.
The anticipation here is just so high. This is the place to be. The best track you'll ever see. The best group of drivers we've had in a long, long time. And how about that crowd, huh? Awesome day of racing here in Miami. For newcomers to endurance racing, let me remind you that this is different from Grand Prix in that it's all about
I heard the accident? You think anyone, helped make the accident happen?
John, it's Grace. Look, I'm in a deep hole. One of my guys just jumped ship and I need a replacement.
Okay, Sierra keeps pushing it like this, it's gonna burn out.
You're the junior slip wrench who got injured yesterday, right?
Suppose I am.
Great, this is your lucky day. Do well and there's a bonus in it, got it?
Got it.
All right, everyone, look alive and get to your stations. Sierra may come in for a last-minute pit stop, and I need you ready and able. You, rookie. Grab your sword and prepare. Let's do this. Sierra's coming in. Everyone on your stations, now!
Target down. Next up, Robert Knox.
What the hell just happened? Sierra! Feed. It's Sierra. There was a crash. It looks bad. Real bad. We can't see her body. Well, Robert
Get ready, folks. Our new Chinese champion is on the podium in a few moments. The VIPs are gathering on the red carpet, and those of you in the stands, make sure you don't miss the big party.
So, did Dr. Sorensen manage to get Sierra Knox's phone number? I heard him
American recipe and supercharged with caffeine and amino acids. Jitter, proud sponsor of the Global Innovation Race. We still have a little time before our champion reaches the podium. Let's hope it's not like last year with the streaker delayed the celebrations. Keep your clothes on, folks. Please.
No way! It's gonna be loud. Can you believe the nerve of that ticket tap?
Much appreciated.
Doctor gave me some sort of vitamin hydration, normally reserved for the driver. Fixed me right up. What, like doping? No, it's for after the racing's done. Although it did kind of look like the Tour de France there. What with all the syringes and IV stands.
It's me. I'm here now, ready to meet up with Sierra Knox over at the hotel. Yeah, after the race. I just gotta pick up the documents from my van, but
know I'm not a rich man. You probably have guys getting all the time. You know, Robert Knox is here.
Really? I had no idea it was that good.
Oh, it's good. It's real good. I mean, I get cravings if I don't come down here to eat once or twice per week. At one point, when I worked near here, I ate lunch here every day.
But Robert Knox? He's like a big shot billionaire.
It's true. I was standing in line behind him yesterday. He talked about how he loves this place to death.
It seems Robert Knox paid several visits to a Bayside area food stand yesterday.
That's just what I've heard. My grid and the spot that before him were all sailing. They've seen shit.
Seriously gonna try this.
I may only be a factory, but I have ambitions too, you know. The fact is that Gromstaff is very like
That is Ted Mendez, one of the country's most influential military-grade moneymen.
Bill, it's Ted
This
here.
must be
Just
connected to
returning your call
Kronstadt.
before heading over to the expo building to meet Knox for the new combat android presentation. No, I'm letting him stew. Guy's a genius, and you know what they're like. Desperately lacking any discipline or respect for other people. Last time I tried to have a meeting with him, he had me sitting in a room for 4 hours before canceling. I'll head up when I feel like it. All right, I'll call you after the presentation. Speak then.
Ted Mendez, a defense funding consultant with the U.S. military, is scheduled for a private...
Hello.
Mr. Mendez, good to see you, sir. The
day to you,
demonstration is
sir.
scheduled to take place on the upper floors. Please feel free to use the stairs right over there.
What's up?
Collecting pictures of celebrity entrepreneurs now 47? What are you thinking?
Mr. Mendez? Right this way, sir.
Hello, HR? Yes, it's Ben Wheeler down at the Bayside Center. Listen, I realize this may sound trivial, but the Fountain View soda dispenser set off the Fritz since we moved in. I can't work without my energy drinks, and I have been forced to bring my own.
It's right in here, Mr. Mendez.
Ah, Ted, good to finally see you.
Hello, sir.
Traffic
Have a lovely day.
rough. Ah, never mind. Let me show you everything. I'm gonna say something provocative now, Ted. War is going out of fashion. It's dirty, it's just plain bad PR. Nobody wants to exchange their children and loved ones for flags and medals anymore. The glory is gone, Ted. But, luckily, Kronstadt has a solution for that. Imagine this. Android infiltrators operating in the field, disguised and fully embedded, ready to strike at a moment's notice. Indestructible robotic operators who can infiltrate the deepest sanctuary of any adversary, striking an unseen fatal blow, a surgical tool for a blunt world. Imagine an army of them, fully equipped android medics seeking out wounded servicemen and injured civilians, bringing them to safety or patching them up then and there. Android pilots delivering payloads deep inside enemy territory with uncanny precision and minimal collateral damage. All right, Mendez, it's very straightforward. Let me show you. I just pick any of the pictures on the desk, then I use the scanner to upload the biometric data, and Palace will do the rest.
Target acquired. WB.
Obviously, the final system won't rely on you manually feeding it biometric data. This is still a prototype. This is a pivotal moment in modern conflict solution, Ted. Palace is entirely foolproof. All you need is to pick a photo from the... Holy shit.
Knox.
Jesus Christ.
Both targets down. Well done, 47. Head for an exit, and we'll speak again soon.
How are you, sir?
Their engineering muscles is on its final day. And
Welcome, sir.
Berlin. Shanghai. Montreal. We're bleeding operatives. Panic is spreading, and now we are axing our own?
Knox was a traitor. He would have caused incalculable damage.
And he won't be the last. This is exactly what the enemy wants. We need to fight the sickness, not the symptom.
And I have just the tool for the job.
Right. The Burnwood woman. Eric Soders warned you about her, didn't he? The Crusader.
I can handle Miss Burnwood. Everyone hates power until you offer them some.
You ought to know.
ICA speaks the enemy's language. We need them.
And once we don't?
We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Fact remains, we are shadowboxing. We need to know who we are up against.
I was getting to that. His name is Lucas Gray, the late Mr. Cobb's head of security. Cobb was ground zero, first of our operatives to die. It had to be one of his staff, someone with military training and access to the plane.
Grasping at straws.
Gray is a mercenary, a veteran of every backwater tragedy you've ever ignored on the 5 o'clock news. Chechnya, Sierra Leone, the list goes on, but before '89, nothing. No records of any kind.
Ah, come on. CIA, KGB, plenty of spies went dark.
After the curtain was lifted, I cast a very wide net. Lucas Gray simply does not exist.
If you're all quite done wetting yourselves with excitement, I couldn't give two shits where he came from. I only want to know one thing.
How does he know about us?
I swear to God, this hearts and flowers crap will get us both killed. Can't you see? Your so-called friend is working for them now. He's not the man you knew.
This is his fight too, Olivia. Even if he doesn't realize it. Like it or not, 47 is our last and only lead on the partners. He needs to remember.
He's coming for us. And unlike you, he won't hesitate.
Just get me inside. Rico, I need a favor.